Activity 3. Listen to the following process. Stitching buttons. Things required: needle, thread, buttons, piece of cloth. Steps: take a needle, take a piece of thread, put through the pointed thread in the needle eye. Match both the ends of the thread. Make a knot. Put a button at the proper place of the cloth. Pierce the needle from beneath the cloth. Match the buttonhole and needle point. Pass the needle through the buttonhole. Stretch the needle to the full length. Pierce the needle beneath the buttonhole. Pierce it upward and downward for 3 to 4 times. In the end, bring the needle beneath the cloth. Tie knot beneath the cloth and cut the thread.